In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your LinkedIn profile to gain Smma clients. So I'm going to teach you all the best practices and the way to make your profile most appealing to businesses. So the first thing you want to do is go into LinkedIn and make sure that we are signed in here. And from here, we either want to go over to our profile here or go to me and go to view profile. Now, the first thing that someone's going to see is your profile picture. So you want to make this professional. You want to have a picture with you wearing no accessories. We don't want you standing in front of a Lambo or anything like that. We want you to look professional. So just a normal white black background or like a background that's quite plain is good. You want to be looking at the camera, smiling, look well groomed, look professional. Maybe put a shirt on or something like that to show that you're professional and serious. That's basically all of the pointers for a profile. It doesn't matter too much about it. Just make sure you look serious and professional and don't look scruffy and like you're going to do a bad job. The next thing that we want to do is the headline. Now this is a lot more important. So the headline is the first thing that someone sees when they go onto your LinkedIn profile. And this is going to be your elevator pitch, telling companies what you do and your experience, stuff like that. So if you're in lead generation, you can put something like, I generate leads for kitchen fitting businesses. You could put that, but you can see this is really, really boring. It's so generic. So you'd want to spend a bit of time on this. Think of something that's a bit more interesting and unique and enticing that makes the company actually want to speak to you. So you could be like, I generate leads exponentially for kitchen businesses using AI powered algorithms. However you spell that. There you go. Now you can see here it's like a lot more enticing. It's like, oh, AI powered algorithms. I've never heard of that before. I want to give that a go. Whatever you do, put that in there. If you've got any like numbers you can put in there, so like I can generate your kitchen business company $4,000 extra per month using AI powered algorithms, or you get a full refund. You can do that. So you could put some kind of like offer in there as well if you wanted to, but this is the most important bit, so spend a lot of time on this. Make sure it catches your target market's attention, and makes them want to read more about your profile and get into contact with you. So I'm going to hit save on that. The next thing you want to do is you want to go down to your licenses and certifications. If you've done anything like that, you want to add it in. So you would press add. You put the name of the certificate, the organization that issued it, when you got it, any photos of it and what it qualified you to do. That's quite a good one. Just adds a little bit of social proof and like a little bit of proof that you know what you're doing. Experience. Now in experience, this is where you want to put your previous experience. So if you've worked with clients in the past, you'd want to put these here. That would be really good. And if you've even done like free work or anything like that, it's really good to put it here as well, because it shows to customers or clients that you do know what you're doing and they're not just the guinea pig, if that makes sense. Another thing we want to change here is the featured. So this is basically the first thing, like the thing that's at the top of your resume. So this probably wants to be like a case study or something like that. So if you've got a really amazing case study on how you generated money for a certain business, you want to write it up here. You want to add an image of it to show the revenue going up. You want to show this here very visually, make it really easy to understand, have a good headline. So if I edit this here, you could say, or 4,000 kit fit, whatever your kitchen company's called. something like that. Another hook, kind of like a sub hook to your original one though. So like it's a bit more specific. In here you'd want to put like case study. We helped KitFit grow their business and generate an additional 4K per month with our AI growth tool. You could use the ADA model here. So attention, first of all you want to get their attention. Interest, so you want to pique their interest with the stuff you're saying. Desire, so give them the desire that they want to get it. So put the bottom line results here. At the end of the day they got a 4,000 increase and they only paid us $100 a month, whatever you charge, obviously not that cheap. And then action, so you want to be like, send me a message to talk about this, or you could even have a booking link if you've got a Calendly. So send me a message here to see if we can work together. Now obviously I've just sort of rushed this here. I'm just spitting ideas for you. I'm giving you like the best ideas, and you would want to spend a bit more time on this obviously. Now for thumbnail, obviously that's important. You want to have a good image there, so a growth chart would be good, I would imagine. For the banner as well, up here you can add a little banner and just put, if you've got like a screenshot of some results or something like that, or like you could do that, or you could put a hook here. So this could be your hook. You could, or something easy like generate 4,000 for your business using AI or something like that. Put that there, just another visual hook to help reinforce what your brand does. If you do this, you can actually make a lot of money with this LinkedIn outreach and stuff like that. You could go onto different profiles and connect with them. You could create some posts. I imagine you can create some SEO driven posts as well on here, which would rank, and then from there you'll get a lot of people coming to you, which would be very nice, as you can imagine. But that's basically everything you need to know about how to make your LinkedIn profile optimized for SMMA. Now, if you have any questions about anything I've shown you today, then please put them down below and I will try to answer them. And if you want me to make any other videos about anything else, SMMA related or anything, then let me know and I will go ahead and do that. So thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if it helped. Thank you for watching.